In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Facebook Marketplace to discover what's newly listed, even though you can't entirely bypass its algorithm. Let's get started by opening up your Facebook account. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Marketplace icon in your menu options. Clicking on this will transport you into Facebook's lively hub of buys and sells, where countless items are waiting for your perusal. Navigating through Facebook Marketplace effectively requires mastering the art of filtering and sorting. To begin with, consider choosing a category that best suits your interests or needs. You'll find various sections like electronics, furniture, clothes, and more. This step is crucial because by selecting a category, you ensure the items shown are more relevant to you. Make use of the filtering options available. These are your best friends in narrowing down the list. Think about the location filter. Setting this to your local area will make pickups much more convenient and save you some travel time. Similarly, adjust the price range to match your budget, and don't forget about item condition. Whether it's new, used, or even open box items, your selection can be optimized by setting these specific parameters. Once you've fine-tuned your categories and filters, it's time to sort the listings. This is where we're going to probe for the freshest listings. At the top of your search results, you should see a sorting option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Date Listed, Newest First. This automatically organizes listings, placing the latest ones at the forefront. By doing so, you stand a better chance of snagging deals before others get to them. Next, it might be helpful to clear your saved searches and preferences. This will refresh your marketplace experience and may clear any biases the algorithm might have developed based on your past activities. Maintaining a clear slate can sometimes work wonders in seeing a diverse array of items. Finally, it is a good practice to refresh your page regularly. New listings pop up all the time. By refreshing, you're ensuring that you don't miss out on any newly advertised items. This is particularly important during peak listing times, typically in the evenings or weekends when individuals often have spare time to upload new items for sale. In conclusion, while it's not entirely possible to outwit Facebook's marketplace algorithm, by carefully selecting categories, applying precise filters, and meticulously sorting results, you can make sure you're always seeing the most current and relevant listings available. Always keep refreshing to stay updated, and happy shopping!